Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add birthday on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to add a birthday on the Skype app can contribute to better social interactions, help you stay connected with your contacts, and make your online communication more meaningful and enjoyable. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first go ahead and open Skype app on your device. After that, enter to your profile page and then select the settings menu. Okay, so here you can choose account and profile option. Well, so next you can select birthday here. And you are all ready to add your birthday in this section. Click Set and click Save Changes. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add birthday on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.